It's going to be about how to make citations in Google Docs. You can use EasyBib, and there's lots of plugins out there, but Google Docs has one built in and makes your life easy. So first steps first is I'm working in the document here where I'm doing my research and note-taking for our bibliography. So I'm going to go up to Tools, and then if I go about a third of the way down, there's a menu item called Citations. I click on that. And then it opens up a new window on the right-hand side here. You might already have some citation information. In this case, we're going to start our very first one. Make sure for this assignment, it is clicked on for MLA. It doesn't matter what edition, it's going to do that automatically for you. And now you click on Add Citation. So this is saying, this is my source, this is where I got it from. So I'm going to click on this. And most of you are going to use web pages, so we can click on web page. There's lots of other options. You can choose film, TV, episode, but we're going to choose website. And that's your only option after you choose website, so make sure you do that. And then I have a great site here that I trust, and I know it's a good source, and it's Encyclopedia Britannica, and it's about Barack Obama. So I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to copy it. So you could use a keyboard shortcut if you like, depends what type of computer you're on, but I'm going to go to copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Google Doc, and I'm going to search, or I'm going to, paste in that box there, and then I'm going to click search. This is where not everything's going to work out perfectly. It's going to do a lot of the work for you, so you always want to read through it and make sure everything is correct. So you have the title, fantastic, that looks right. You actually have the web page, so the title of the web page. You have the URL, so that's the link. Sometimes it's not going to get all the information. Published year. Even when I look at myself, I don't see a published year. Sometimes you're not going to get all the information you need, which is fine. And so that looks good. I got the author, fantastic. And now I'm going to click continue. And this is giving me a chance that if I wanted to change any of the information, I could. There's no reason for you to do that, so you're going to add citation source. Now, if you're writing a big essay and you wanted to put a citation in there, wherever you're typing and you click on cite, it's going to drop in the last name of the author. So that's how you would typically cite it. But in this case, all I want you to do is put in the MOA citation here. So from this right-hand window, I'm going to take all that text, I'm going to copy it again, and this time I'm going to paste it in here. And that is my citation. That's what I want to see for the assignment. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much for watching.